Congress's Rahul Gandhi has assured leaders of Kisan unions to support legal guarantee of minimum support price. Rahul met with Kisan leaders from Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. The farmer leaders have requested Rahul Gandhi to introduce a private member's bill. The bill is set to address their long-standing demands. The delegation of farmer leaders from two unions, Sanyukt Kisan Morcha and the Kisan Mazdoor Morcha, met with Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition, today. They have also announced a nationwide tractor rally on the 15th of August.
पूरा उसका देखिए, हमारे मैनिफेस्टो में एमएसपी विद लीगल गारंटी लिखा है. हमने पूरा उसका असेसमेंट किया है, वो किया जा सकता है. अभी मीटिंग में हमने ये डिसाइड किया कि जो इंडिया गठबंधन के बाकी लीडर्स हैं उनसे हम ये डिस्कशन करेंगे और फिर सरकार पर दबाव डालने की कोशिश करेंगे कि लीगल गारंटी, एमएसपी लीगल गारंटी हिंदुस्तान के किसानों को मिले. आप वो चर्चा चल रही है, वो उसके बारे में हम इंटरनली डिस्कस करके वो करेंगे. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.
Farmers meeting Rahul Gandhi there. Rahul Gandhi was, of course, reacting after meeting with those Kisan leaders today. Let me bring in Anand Singh, my colleague, for more details on this story. Anand, what assurance has Rahul Gandhi given the farmers after meeting them?
Yeah, look, today when the farmers leaders came to meet Rahul Gandhi at the chamber in Lok Sabha, then several of the discussions took place between them and Rahul Gandhi. It is being said that he was apprised by the farmer leaders that how in Haryana the farmers have to face atrocities by the government and how they were lathi charge and water cannons were used against them. And they even raised the issue of the MSP legal guarantee that the government had promised the farmers when they had taken back their protests 2 years ago, and the government has also promised them the MSP legal guarantee. However, that demand has not been met yet by the government, and thus they met with Rahul Gandhi today. And Rahul Gandhi, after meeting the farmers, he said that even in our Congress manifesto, we have mentioned about the MSP legal guarantee to farmers, and we have done an assessment of the same, and it can be implemented easily. And so we will be talking to all our India bloc partners, and we will put the pressure on the government to provide MSP legal guarantee to farmers who have been demanding it for very long. So these are the discussions that have taken place with the farmers with Rahul Gandhi over here. Back to you, Ray.
All right, Anand, thank you for joining us with those details. In fact, we spoke with farmer leader Jagjit Singh after this meeting of Rahul Gandhi.
किसानों का एक डेलीगेशन राहुल गांधी से संसद में मुलाकात की है. हमारे साथ जगजीत जी है. जगजीत जी, राहुल गांधी से आप लोगों ने मुलाकात की है, क्या मांग रखी है?
देखिए, राहुल गांधी जी विपक्ष के नेता हैं. एक स्ट्रॉन्ग विपक्ष आया है. उन्होंने जो हमारे साथ वायदा किया था चुनाव के पहले, वो उनको याद दिलाया. उन्होंने कमिटमेंट किया कि हम इस पार्लियामेंट के अंदर आपको उठाएंगे और इसका हल करवा कर देंगे.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.